All right, we are out at one of our favorite lakes, Blue River. Rye's blowing dandelions right back into his face. Perfect, way to go. Good thing you weren't peeing into the wind, huh? Here's our little camp spot. The lake is starting to drain, so the water's a little low. And then Ryder is going to take us through what he's going to do while I finish setting up camp. So as you can see here,
Can I javelin this?
it's pretty low.
Can I javelin it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me back up so you can throw it. All right, let's see you throw that spear. Oh, pretty far,
Oh, I
bro.
broke it.
Oh, pretty far. We're gonna get the paddleboard ready, and then we'll be out there floating at some point. But Rye, what are you gonna take us through what you're doing right now?
Rock painting.
Rock painting?
Yeah.
Let's show us what you got. You already hid some?
There's one right here. He's in that corner.
Nice.
And over here, this one. I gave it a name. You could see it if you pick it up.
What's it say on there?
Rose.
Rose? Is that because it's pink?
No, I just gave it a name.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna hide these for other people to find?
Mm-hmm.
Got a whole little kit here. Some funny pictures on there. And we'll get back to you and show you what Rye comes up with his next rock.
I'll also tell you he's low and he is in from what you can see in right now. You could see him right now, but he's hidden and he's on the floor. So if you find any of them, tag us on Instagram at ForerunnerFit. And if you're trying to look for the pine cone one, look for piles of brush. It'll be in some. And for the hardest one, it's on this trail. In a pile of brush. And the cone one is up high over here. Okay, hiding the next exclusive. So the one that I said is in brush is the hardest. The one I just hid is the easiest. This is gonna be the middle one. So I'll show you which area it's gonna be in. It's gonna be over here somewhere. So just keep your eye out. Okay, I made my new one. He looks like this. He is supposed to be a traffic cone. So I'll show you where the place he's gonna be hidden, but not exactly where I put him. He's gonna be right over there somewhere. Then I'll show you the next place where my other bark one is. The next rocks I paint I'm not gonna tell you, so you guys are gonna have to find them, and I'm also gonna paint this as an exclusive one.
Ryder's looking for some more rocks to paint. I figured I'll take you guys down the little path to the water. Well, that's not very cool. We'll pick all that up when I don't have my hands full with the camera. And I have some gloves because it looks like it might be someone's underwear. Don't leave your trash behind, guys. Look, more trash. Pick that up on my way back up to camp. That's not underwear. I was trying to get Rye to come down here. Usually this is all underwater. You can kind of see the water line on this rock right here. Pick that up on our way back. Dang, we're in the shade right now, so it's hard to see. So tomorrow we'll have to show you guys the water out here. The water's super nice. You can kind of get it pretty good. Got out here a little late today so that we could just spend the whole day out here tomorrow. We'll have to take you guys out on the paddleboard with us. And so we're camped right up there. Yeah, I'm used to seeing all this being underwater. Alright, let's go find out what Rye's doing again. Do our part here, since other people aren't doing theirs. Man, this is a super bummer that people do this. Look at this. I'll go through here, I guess, and clean this up. Oh, look at all you trendy guys. How do you trendy guys leave your Bass Pro Shop hat out here? Along with your garbage here. More garbage. Ryder and I will take care of it. We'll go on a cleaning mission, and then actually, you guys know what? We'll show you how much garbage we clean up that's not ours. I think that'll be a cool thing for you guys to see how inconsiderate people are when they go camping. And then people like Ryder, my son, and myself end up having to clean it all up.
Start going down, and on the way I'm gonna make.
All right, we got our garbage bags. Where's Rye? There's Rye. We're gonna come down and we'll collect the trash, and then after we collect all the trash, we'll show you all the stuff that we've cleaned up. We'll start here with this trash, and then we're just gonna go through here just for a little ways. Obviously, we can't do the whole lake, but we'll show you what we get afterwards. What are you doing with this glass? You want me to put it away?
Yeah. So, when I was searching, and he was over there getting some glass, I found a bottle jack.
Does a bottle jack belong here?
No.
Where's a bottle jack?
What do you?
belong?
How do you think it even got out here?
Someone probably camped right above us where we're camped and chucked it off their car, out of their car.
Because they didn't need it anymore.
Yeah.
Because they probably just used it to put their car up on, so it's equal.
Something. I don't know what they're doing, but it wasn't. It was against the law.
Yeah.
Because they threw it in here.
This was the best find, though.
Yeah. And then what else? What else did we get the majority of stuff out of here?
Glass.
Glass. Where does glass belong?
In the trash can.
Not in the bottom of the lake.
Yeah. And also, when we were searching, I found like a whole bottle.
Yep.
Because I found all the pieces of it.
Should we just take it up there and show them everything we got?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We'll show you everything.
I'll let you take care of it. You can talk to them.
So, we gonna show you all the trash we found. And when I was out there, I also found a metal pole. We found that.
Gorgeous out here. Can't wait till tomorrow morning when the sun comes out. Here's a quick tour of camp. There's the most important part of camp. Ryder.
This is the last exclusive thing I'm making.
He's
And
painting
this is-
another exclusive.
This is the exclusive I already have.
I like that one. Cooler, little mini table. If anyone knows of another like foldable, bigger table, let us know in the comments. We need something a little bigger, maybe a picnic table style. I don't know. I think Cabela's had one just the other day that I seen. We got a tent, Inspired Overland. I was just in talks with them about things I'd like to see them change, which was pretty cool that they wanted to actually hear my opinion, because I had some concerns with some other things. Just to have a bent zipper, but nothing major. I just got these added. I think Rye will be pretty stoked when... Oops, turned it off. And then got them out. So now we got some cool lighting. Got a few modes. It's pretty cool. It's got a timer, dimmer. Now we just got some lights up in here. It looks really good. It's pretty sweet. And then out there we got the power board, which is ready for tomorrow. We're ready to hit the water. It's pretty hot today, but since so much of our area is shaded, we're just kicking it up at camp for now. I'm sure we'll be out bright and early. I forgot to mention these climate pillows. I love them. They have this kind of like water resistant or travel side is what they call it. So if you get anything on it, it's easy to clean. They have zippers, and it is, here, let me try and put this down and I'll kind of show you. See if we can. All right. So it's got a zipper, and inside you can access this internal one, and it's just shredded memory foam, so you can take in and out however much you want for whatever level of comfort you want. And then I like to have the travel side up. I like to have the cool pillow all the time. However, if you take it on this side, on the like the topo side, if you turn it inside out here, it's got this soft side, and then you just grab it by the corners and you give it a shake, and then you just roll this up, roll this travel side up, and then cover it up. And now you have like a soft, plushy side of the pillow. I love this pillow. My son loves these pillows also, as far as I know. He also loves what? Big Macs. What are you using right now? That's super convenient and nice to have, huh? The water port. If you don't have one, I suggest getting one. It's got 3 separate options for pressurizing.
Warm.
And yeah, the sun will heat it up for you so you can take a shower with it also. But I highly recommend these pillows.
No, Dad.
My buddy just ordered some, and I think he loves them also. Well, we forgot to show you guys the s'mores, but we're getting ready for bed, and we'll take you paddleboarding tomorrow and whatever other fun stuff we do. What do you think? Yeah, you just playing your games and in the zone?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. We are up for the next day. Let's see, where's Rye? Dun, dun, dun. There's Rye. Yeah, it's really bright on this side. We'll turn around. Today is Wednesday. It is also Shark Week. Third day or fifth? Fourth day of Shark Week? Did it start Saturday or Sunday?
Today's number 4.
Okay. Well, I guess today's day 4 of Shark Week, and our grandma is so awesome. She loves Shark Week too, so she gives all the grandkids a week's worth of shark stuff. And today is Wednesday, and so we'll show you what he gets to start his day with for today during Shark Week. Let's see, what'd you get?
I'm putting him away, but I got this shark guy.
A little shark ball blaster. A silly shark mask. Let's see the other side. There you go. What is that? Shark socks.
That's really all.
And then wasn't there something else? Oh, gummies.
It's just a gummy.
Some gummies. It's pretty sweet. We are gonna have some breakfast here. But here's the lake this morning. Once we start getting moving and grooving, we'll take you guys along with us on our lake day.
That's a good spot for my shoes.
Yep. All right, the phone's in a waterproof bag, so if it's coming through kind of funky, that's why. But we're getting ready to take you guys out with us on the paddleboard. We're gonna float over this the Shrek Swamp. There's some pretty cool water over there. We can see a bunch of fish and also some good jump spots that Rye likes to jump at. So we'll get going here as soon as Rye's ready. All right, we're just getting ready to push offshore, and Ryder found some extra trash, so we threw it up on the shore till we get back. And then he also found a couple friends.
They will come along with us.
Only for a little bit, and then you gotta let them go. All right, here we go. We're off. All right, we just floated over to Rye's jump spot. He's gonna try and hit the little sun hole right there. I'm starting to turn. I'm starting to turn. Oh, there we go.
I know it's gonna be cold.
It'd be chilly, but you were just in it.
I know it is very
Nice job. How was it?
warm.
Nice. Yep, it's going this time. Nice job. Full 360. He's a jumping machine. Cannonball it.
Okay. Cold.
That's good.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Does it feel good?
Okay, Ryder and I were just hanging out, playing on the beach down from our camp. And look what we found.
He's trying to get out of this.
Just be gentle. Oh, there you go. Nice. Just a little red racer or Gardner?
Gardener. I mean, red racer. See the red?
Oh, yep. Nice.
Right back where we found you.
Cute. There's a little guy.
Yeah, we can watch him.
Nice job, buddy. Oh, what else did we find right there in your hand? Nice.
He's just searching for somewhere to hide.
All right, we'll catch you guys back later. What'd you catch? Let's see.
I caught the little baby lizard we were talking about earlier.
He's so cute.
We'll let him go soon so he can go
Yep.
up.
Put him right back where you found him. What a cute little guy.
Just so he could sunbathe.